I'm Doug, a professional comedian. I don't know much about cars, but I do know that without protection from CarShield, it can feel like standing barefoot in a gator pit.
And I'm Sonia, a professional driver and mechanic. I know a lot about cars, but I think we both know you shouldn't be in there.
Yeah, that's a no-brainer. It's almost as obvious as having protection through CarShield.
Agreed. CarShield helps keep you out of the messy swamp. They have plans for every budget, and your rates won't rise no matter how many claims you make.
Plans also include 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car options. One of them touched my leg.
And plans cover up to 5,000 parts and systems in your car. Doug, you really shouldn't be standing in there.
They were also voted America's most trusted auto protection company and have an A rating with the BBB. I felt something. Was that teeth or scales?
Do the smart thing and call CarShield before you wrestle with costly car repairs.
Okay, I'm done.
Before you're up a creek without protection, call CarShield today and get a free quote to help stay protected from whatever your journey may bring.